Good afternoon, good morning, and good night for some of you. This video is for everyone all over the world. People, I just want to talk about the devil and his agency. I want to talk about the people who talk about other people behind their backs. You know, sometimes it's good to have enemies that you can see that this one is my enemy. What about the enemies that we can't see that they are our enemies? They will come to your face, they will laugh at you. They will laugh with you, laugh at you at the same time, and you will not know it. You will not know it, I'm telling you. You will not. I want to talk about the spirit of smear for some of you who don't know what the spirit of smear is. The spirit of smear is that spirit that enters your family, enters your friends, enters your colleagues, workmates, classmates, schoolmates, that enters them, and then it comes to you with gossip. It comes to you with gossip so that you can comment, and now you are finished. Say no to those spirits. Say no. People, I don't understand why people have to promote the devil day by day. Do good. When you do good, people talk about you. Hey, look at her. She thinks she has made it in life. Hey, look at her. Instead of celebrating with me, God will grant you your own. I don't understand. People have a disease, have a virus, a cancerous virus that is very contagious.